Now we're here just before harvesting of the Pinot Grigio. Pinot Grigio is a pink variety, whilst you mostly see the wine as a white. What I'm really looking for in my Pinot Grigio is a number of different flavours, and that the flavour profile changes as the grape varieties get riper. So more sugar, and with the more sugar, their flavour profile changes. So you can have green pears, and then as it gets a little bit riper, it gets into those really ripe, soft yellow pears. So that's what I love about Pinot Grigio, is that the flavour profile changes through that ripening level, and I really take advantage of that situation. So our Pinot Grigios have that Granny Smith apples, green crunchy acidity, but they have really lovely ripe green and yellow pear sort of flavours as well.